So in our previous video we learned about routing information protocol, that is a dynamic routing protocol, and here we will learn about one more dynamic routing protocol, that is the EIGRP. So the topology that we will be working on is as follows. Okay, and IP addresses are pre-configured on the routers and host. We can verify the IP addresses with the help of show IP interface brief command. So as you can see, the IP addresses are pre-configured here on the each interfaces of the router and on the PCs. So on the PC, the default gateway value is set to be the respective IP addresses of the interfaces of the router. Okay, so now we have to perform the EIGRP routing protocol. So for that, we will go to the router, we will go to the configuration mode, and we will type router EIGRP, and then we will type an AS number. AS number must be same on all the routers. So for example, we are taking 101 and hit enter. Then we have to give the network information that are directly connected to the router. So in this case it is 14.0.0.0, then again network 15.0.0.0, then again network 10.0.0.0, and then we have to write no auto summary. This is because EIGRP is a classless routing protocol, but by default it acts like classful routing protocol, and the reason is because the auto summary is by default enabled. So by this command the auto summary is now disabled and it works as classless routing protocol. Okay, so we will apply the commands on other routers as well. As you can see, if I press question mark, it will ask for the wildcard bits. So wildcard bits are the opposite values of subnet mask value. For example, if a subnet mask value is 255.0.0.0, then the wildcard bits will be 0.255.255.255. So wildcard bits exactly matches all the zero value only, and any 255 value means we can ignore that part. So if I apply 0.0.0.255, that means the first 3 octet of the IP addresses must be same, then only the EIGRP will be running on the router. So as you can see, as I hit enter, I got a message that EIGRP 101 neighborship 14.0.0.1 is up. It is a new adjacency. So then again I had to enter network 11.0.0.0. See, if I do not apply the wildcard mask with it, then all the interfaces that are participating in 11.0 network will come under EIGRP. So if we have done some subnetting and applied the IP addresses on the interfaces, and we are using the network command without the wildcard mask, then the EIGRP will run on all the interfaces that comes under that particular IP. So again, now I will type network 17.0.0.0 and hit enter. Similarly, I will configure the router 3, enable config terminal, then router EIGRP 101, then hit the network 17.0.0.0, then network 16.0.0.0, then again the network 30.0.0.0. 0.0.0. Okay, and on the next router, enable config terminal, then router EIGRP 101, enter, then network 16.0.0.0, then network 12.0.0.0, then network 15.0.0.0. Okay, so now we have configured the EIGRP on all the router. So now I will be able to ping from one location to any other location. So as you can see, the first packet is failed, and if I double click on this, it will be successful. So I will be able to ping from any location to any location. First packet will fail. So that is how the basic configuration of EIGRP is done. And if we want to verify the running protocol, we just need to type show IP protocols and hit enter. So it will show the information about the running protocol. For example, I am running EIGRP 101, then the maximum hop count value is 100, and as we know, the EIGRP uses composite matrix that are the k values. So here k values are mentioned. Okay, variance command is used for the load balancing, unequal cost load balancing, and as you can see, routing for the networks are 617, 16, 30, and AD value of the EIGRP is 90. So that is how we can verify the running protocol. EIGRP maintains three types of tables. First is routing table, then neighbor table, then topology table. So if you want to verify the neighbors, then I will write show IP EIGRP neighbors and hit enter. So as you can see, on router 3, on this router I have two neighbors. One is 17.0.0.2, that is the IP address of serial 3x0 port of this router, and then 16.0.0.1, that is the IP address of serial 2/0 of this router. EIGRP uses hello messages to maintain the neighborship and to make the neighborship. So if we want to stop the messages from being sent, so we can use the passive interface command. So if we apply the passive interface, the router will not advertise its network to other networks. So to configure the passive interface, we will go to the configuration mode, then we will go to the EIGRP 101, and then we will write passive interface and then the interface name. For example, I am on router 3, and if I want to prevent EIGRP from sending the update packets to the router 1. So what command I will use on this passive interface? Serial 2/0 and hit enter. So now EIGRP will not send its update from the serial 2/0 interface, and as you can see that the 17 neighbor is down. So as soon as we enter the passive interface command, the neighborship will break because the hello messages are not now being sent. So if I want to again maintain the neighborship, I have to negate the previous command. So for that we will go to the EIGRP router EIGRP 101, and then I will type no passive interface serial 2/0 and hit enter. So as soon as we enter this command, the neighborship will come up. So that is how you can configure the passive interface. We can verify the routes learned by the EIGRP by using the command do show IP route. So as you can see that D means EIGRP, and these networks are being learned by EIGRP routing protocol. So if I want to reach to this network, then I have two paths. First one is via 16.0.0 and then other one is via 17.0.0.1. So EIGRP by default performs the equal cost load balancing. So some packets will be sent with this path and some will be sent with this path. And if I want to check the routes learned only from the EIGRP, then I will use the command do show IP route and then EIGRP and hit enter. Then it will show only those routes that are learned by EIGRP. So this is the basic configuration of EIGRP. Thank you for watching.